the government or where the provisions of Section 4 have been invoked, the armed forces or civil armed forces, as the case may be, subject to the specific or general order of the government in this regard for a period not exceeding 3 months, and after recording reasons thereof issue order for the preventive detention of any person who has been concerned in any offence under this act relating to the security or defence of Pakistan or any part thereof, or public order relating to target killing, kidnapping for ransom and extortion, bhatta, or the maintenance of supplies or services, or against whom a reasonable complaint has been made or credible information has been received, or a reasonable suspicion exists of his having been so concerned for purpose of inquiry, provided that the detention of such person, including detention for further period after 3 months, shall be subject to the provisions of Article 10 of the Constitution. First up, the inquiry under subsection 1 may be conducted by a police officer not below the rank of superintendent of police, or through a joint interrogation team to be notified by the government, comprising a police officer not below the rank of superintendent of police, and officers of other investigation agencies, and the powers of the inquiry officer will be vested as per Section 5 of the FIA Act 1974. First up, provided that where the detention order has been issued by the armed forces or civil armed forces under subsection 1, the inquiry shall be conducted by the joint interrogation team comprising members of armed forces or civil armed forces, as the case may be, intelligence agencies, and other law enforcement agencies, including a police officer not below the rank of superintendent of police. First up, the provision of subsection 1 and 2